What you doing there, Shadow? Meow? Checking me out? Chauncey's over there nibbling on a treat. And there's Daryl. Trying to get the dirt to fill in the hollows. I don't know how many loads of dirt. There was one very rocky load of dirt that was delivered. Ah, there we are. Nice and quiet. Yep. Chauncey's got his chew bone. Let's see. Meow. Ooh. Beautiful. Towards the end of August night. Any words of wisdom? Let's see, there's that little baby chick that hatched out a few months ago with its mama. Hi, pup. What's that cat looking for out there, huh? What's that Shadow looking for out there? Sniffing out the free hunk of wood that was in our dirt. The chickens are having a good time looking for worms. Yep. Not too lazy time at Lazy Acres. There's always something to do here. Go from one project to another to another. We've had a skunk out there digging up the lawn all over for the last 3 weeks. Never see it at night. Let's see if I zoom in. Do I have anything good to see? Probably get fuzzy as I zoom in. I better zoom back out. Would you find a treasure?
Yeah, thing from my Fitbit.
Is that the one I lost?
Yeah. It's getting worn out. Fell off.
Oh, okay. Well, that's all she wrote for tonight.